All right, let me get that right. The Hydropothecary Corporation, TSX. I think this used to be THXC. Yeah, I'm not quite sure about that. Now it's the ticker hexo, HEXO. And another cannabis stock. Yay! Stage analysis and Weinstein. Sector healthcare, pharmaceuticals. Let's do this on the weekly. But first, I'm going to apply my monthly chart trading framework. Just give me a sense of what's happening. And right away, man, just 12-month moving average. Up, 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 up. So that's the first thing. Should be going to your brain, that upwards trend. And then you could start isolating from the opens and closes some patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7-month pattern. Nice, beautiful breakout. That's why I love it. Almost no wick. Enter here. Sell stop right below that candle. Target, measure, move. Add it to breakout line. Reach the next month. Let me just put some visuals on that. And it's that simple, guys. And that's where you want to look. 5-6 month pattern. Breakout, target reach right after that. So you can see I have another one here. Right there. Let's steal that arrow. Oh, almost the same width. Target was reached within that same month, and that happens, guys. That's why monthly candles targets are usually attained, unless for those big patterns are attained in that breakout candle. But you have the secondary purpose of the monthly candle is to have established trend and direction, and breakout of a monthly pattern indicates a trend in that direction. And same thing here, guys. After target was reached, pull back, and now we see we have some sideways action. And here we are. We had some price action go all the way close to 6, get pulled back down. We're approaching the end of August, so you got to keep an eye on that, guys. I think we might close below that. So that's my next breakout. My next monthly defined breakout, guys, it'd be this pattern right here. Or sometimes, like I say, patterns within patterns. Let me just remove that. Delete, remove. Patterns within patterns and chart morphs. Target reaches higher highs. Hit some resistance. And could we have another pattern here? Another either top formation, consolidation, go up, upwards. But what I like is there's no closes below 12-month moving average. Anything, if you have a close below that, that's a sign to get out. Wait for the sideways pattern, either a continuation breakout or a breakdown. But as long as you have closes always above the 12-month moving average, you're still in an uptrend. So this next level, I want to close above 530. If I have a close above 530, then my back. My target would be arrow, please. And off we go to 625. Pretty cool. Let's go. Stan Weinstein. On the weekly. Green. Outperforming the SPX. That's a Mansfield relative strength. Above the 30-week moving average. Inclining 30-week moving average. And after that, all you have to look for is twice the average volume on those candles that break out above horizontal patterns. And then you're set to go. Some price action below 30-week moving average. What does that mean? You're in stage 3. You probably had some other signs to exit. Stan had the trend line violation, but his trend line's on 3 touches. Break on the 4th, you're out. for half your position. 1, 2, 3. See, break here and gets you close to the top, right? You never always get out the top. You never enter at the bottom, but you get most of the run. But it's not the end of the world. You're out. You wait. You let time move by. You put your risk somewhere else. You go in other stocks that are exploding. And all you have to do now is just come back to this, set some alerts when the chart starts morphing, and you get to see some where the next breakout pattern is going to be. Monthly defined, weekly defined resistance. And when you have a close above those, then you know that it's time to go back in. If you have the volume on the breakout candle, if the Mansfield is going upwards, ideally a bounce off the zero or going through negative territory going upwards, if you're above the Ichimoku cloud, and that's a final if, or is it? The monthly candle trend is in your favor. There's always the forest to tree approach. And we could check that right now. I did previously, I think, from one of the other cannabis stocks. Healthcare, pharmaceuticals. Let's go see the sector. Healthcare. Are you still happy? It's healthcare. Let's go look on the monthly. Yeah, look at that. Still stage 2. Stage 2. Stage 3. Stage 2, stage 3, and continuing stage 2 for healthcare. So that's good. You're in a sector that's going to pull you up. Industry. Whoa, I didn't want to move that. Where's pharmaceuticals? Industry, software, consulting, pharmaceuticals. Same thing. Stage 2, stage 3, stage 2. And a little pullback here. And that's probably due to the wheat stocks that have been pulling back a little bit in the past few days, but still in that trend. You have a monthly defined breakout right here with a target almost reached around the 700 level. That's a forest to tree approach. That's one of Stan's tenets. Let's go back. Hexo. So that's in line. A lot of things are in line for this stock. The only thing now that we're a little bit precursor is here you had I call that the embryonic breakout right here on this candle here. Let's see it right there. Okay, first of all, remove all drawing tools. I always clear that up. Don't be afraid to erase lines. You could always redraw them, repractice. And the more you practice, the faster, the better you get at seeing what's happening, guys. Is that twice the average of the previous 4 weeks? Not quite. 4 or 5 weeks. You had some low candles here. You had this big burst here. So that's why I rather wait to break that ultimate resistance that we had on the monthly candle chart and the weekly right here. I want to see a close above 550. I want this to repeat. Embryonic breakout. I want to be able to draw those 2 blue arrows on a candle that's going to close up here above. That's going to close. I'm going to have the volume that's going to go up here. That's going to be twice the average. And like I drew previously, that's going to be going down and up. And that will be my entry. So it's fun. We're kind of in advance. And that's all better for us, guys. We're anticipating the move. Stan always says 40-50% move before you enter. Sure, we're not at the bottom of the run. We're getting close to the top. But this could be a sideways move. That's going to be the bottom for the next run. You just got to wait it out and just be patient. It's a question of weeks, guys. If the market has to decide to bring it back down within the range, and just stay on the sidelines, wait for it to go back up. Pretty cool, right? All right, guys. That's it for me. Hexo looking nice. We're ahead of the curve. Watch for that 550 level. And get back to it if everything's still in line. All right. See ya. See ya.